Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Starno Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we gonna make this money today, baby. I know, you know what I'm saying? We in the mini bear. I call it a bear drop, baby. You can't nobody escape it. I don't care what these YouTubers come on here and tell you they got some magic potion, lotion, this and all that. Click 3 times in the left-hand corner and nuh-uh. Everybody suffers when Bitcoin go down and everything else. We all in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just farming away, man. Most of my money is in AIRDROP. Got some money in, of course, the Richard Hart farm. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get that a permanent loss, baby, but it ain't lost until you cash out. I just hang in there. Hope everything come back. Just cash out your little reward token and let that be that. I think AJ got something going with the new Spark Swap. Hustle Man Matt got the farm going with the pdrip.io farm. Y'all, hey man, it's some passive income ways to make some money, man. It ain't quick and fast, and it ain't meme coinish, but meme coins ain't memeing right now. So what you want? You know what I'm saying? You know, hey, Trayvon got y'all with that, but he came out with that trash. He about 5, 6 of them things dipped. But some of y'all hate when I talk about that. It is what it is. I try to warn y'all, but y'all just stupid, man. I don't understand this infatuation. Man, why? I mean, launch me a meme coin. Y'all stupid enough to, it's an influencer. It's gonna do something. Man, you don't get somewhere. Anyway, I'm tripping. We're going to try to get this airdrop, though. I'm trying to get it, boy. These folks ain't playing over here on Blast, boy. You know, these the same folk from Blur. You know what I'm saying? Blur gave out millions, bro, on that airdrop. And Blast, I hope they ain't, don't do nothing fishy. But anyway, as you can see, I'm up to 1.4 million points. I ain't did a video in a few days, so, it's just going, baby. It's just going and going and going. I got 25 gold. I'm trying to get that gold. How much that worth? But that worth 923,000 points. I'm over 2 million points. I'm headed toward 3 million points. Bro, I done told y'all, every time I do a video, I give you something new on how to get this Blast gold, how to get these points. If you don't want the gold, just bridge your ETH over, and it's going to be staked. Well, basically, it ain't staked, but it's, you know what I'm saying? It's on the platform, they call it stake, but you can bridge it back over when you get ready. So, and it's just gonna be going. So some people they thick over here, but they got 4, 5, 6, 7 ETH. You know what I'm saying? I only got like 3, but I be playing around these dApps and stuff trying to get my goals. So that's why mine keep going down a little bit. And anyway, speaking of that, one way I get my goal is over here on the BFX, baby. You know what I'm saying? What thing? Hello, there we go. Now, you can make, I don't think people realize with leverage trading, you can make money up and down. It's the same money. Leverage trading don't care. It pay you, people made just as much money right here as they did right here. If you caught it right here and got that bounce and went upward and came out right here, but that's a lot of money, boy. If you caught it right here and went downward, that's a lot of money. Both of these collect, and they giveth and they taketh. Hey man, they giveth and they take. You see, I got a lot of gold from over here too. I got almost 10 gold from over here. Hey man, leverage trade. Now I'm in a long now. I've been in the same long for a minute. My liquidation price is 53,000. So I don't think we're going that low. But if we do, I deserve to get look. I take that. If we get down to 53,000, hey man, it just wasn't in the cards, bro. It ain't even on the screen over here. We at 59,000. Man, come on, bro. It got to come way down. So if it do, and you know what's funny? If it even get close, if I get liquidated at 53, I'm going all in on up. I already got my 20x leverage set, baby. And it's going to be high. Let me see. If I do my 20x leverage at 100%, that's almost $9,000. I'm going up if it get down to 53. So I ain't even worried about that. And because any little bounce on 20x, oh, man. Like, when you at 20x leverage, bro, you ain't even got to wait for all that. Let me see if I can. like a little move like this right here. Let's say right here. You ain't got to catch it right here at the bottom. On 20X, let's say you catch it right here to right here. Boy, that's good money. What that is from 63.5 to 65 at the top right here. Man, $1,000 move on 20X. You better get out. Cause it's gonna come back down. But anyway, man, I ain't doing no lessons today. But shout out to these folks. I love this level trade site cause ain't no KYC. You get your little money, you get out, and you know it's tucked off over here in Blast. It ain't no BitMEX and BitMax and BitBoy and Bit this and that. Over here tucked off in Blast. You get your little money, do your little leverage trade, and real money too, baby. But anyway, what are we making money? Oh, District 1. I'm up to 17,000 gems. I just voted. You know, I showed you how to do that last video. You know what I mean? Come over here. Get your little prime. Get your vote on. I already voted today. Who I voted for? Oh, I voted down here. See, I already voted. I got 19 more hours where I can vote again. You know, hey, easy money. Now, one thing I haven't been able to do is get the doggone spaces. Come over here and get the, I forgot what you call it, the rallies. Man, them rally hard hell to get. Anybody got the rally yet? I ain't called. I mean, I've been in a rally, but every time I don't get it. I be late on the drop. I think because the chats be going so fast on the rallies. See, look right here. Here go one right here. Let's see what gems drop at. See, I could rally, but I got to stake and do all that. Oh, that ain't gems airdrop. I don't say what do you call it. But 1 minute, 16 seconds. And I don't know if it's my computer or what, but right before the rally, man, it be so many people spamming and stuff. You can't, you know, by the time the thing come up, it be already going. You be trying to click it. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about too. Cause you have to click it, you have to wait. You have to wait, and then it'll say done, and it'll be over here. See, I ain't got none. But what you have to do is click stake. You got to stake 1,000 gems, and then you have to click that rally. You have to pay 200 gems. You can get your stake back if you don't get it, but you have to pay the 200 just to rally. Let me see if this gonna be the rally. It's a gem. I don't say 36 seconds. You'll see a little box right here. It's gonna pop up, and it'll say like 5 or 5 or 20 or 20 or 100 or 100. It'll show you. I'm show you right here. See, look at the thing. See how it's stalling out at 31 seconds? What is you doing? Come on. What? Bro, and see how people be talking. Stop talking during the rally, bro. You messing up the chat. That is so stupid to me. Look at all this. We know it's rally time. What is that? I think people should get banned that do that. See, look, 9. See how it's stuck? 6. The chat be, come on, man. They be tripping. Let me see if it's gonna come up. What the hell is GL? What is that? That's spam, bro. That is spam. See, the little thing supposed to come up. See, it say next rally at 144. Where is the doggone thing, man? Where is the box? Come on with the box. Come on with the box, man. Where the box at? Now all of a sudden the chat just stopped. Now we're going. See? What is GL? What is that? Where's the box? See, there go the box right there. Bam. So you have to click that right now. See, I might would have got it this time. I don't know. See, it's 19. See? And there it is. Now it's ended. Just that quick. So you have to click claim and hope you get it. See what I'm saying? This person, they got 5,000. That person, they got 6.3. This person, they got 6. But I don't see how. Somebody lying. Somebody lying, cause see, hold on, man. I smell something fishy. Hold on. Right, cause it's only giving out 13. God damn it. They're only giving out 13. God, dog it. Where is it? People stop talking. I can't show it to you because the chat is jumping crazy. I can't. But it's only 19. Let me see. If it's giving out 13,000, but they can't get. Maybe they can. Now they talking about they got 4.2. I don't know, man. See, there it is. It's giving out 13,000 to 19 people. Can you get? Somebody ain't right about that. Them numbers ain't. That math ain't mathing. Somebody lying. So anyway, man. But yeah, I ain't been able to get one yet. The chat. I don't know if it's my computer or is the I don't know, bro. Some people, y'all may have. I know. Crypto AO say he gonna start one. He might. I ain't got the time, bro. I could start my own spaces, but I just don't. I ain't got the time, bro. So Crypto AO say he was gonna start one. You know what I'm saying? And we could farm this thing. So I'm down with it. If he do it, I'm with it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it cracking. Let's get it popping, baby. But anyway, what else I was gonna show y'all on here? I forgot. Let me see. Spaces. I show y'all the Prime. That's enough of that. Let's move on, shall we? Bam, let's jump on over here to old insert. I ain't showed you insert in a minute, man. You know, let's see if I got to go over. I got no goal from here yet. Yeah, they goal ain't even dropped yet. I don't see how much I'm going to get from over here. See, I still got gold coming, baby. Still got time to get in there. But anyway, y'all know how I do over here. You know what I'm saying? Where we at? What is on? Is it on? Where's the other one? Not best. What? They ain't got the... Remember they had the other one. It was like big game hunting or something. It wasn't no best odds. It wasn't no new. Remember they had like, top dog or something. It was another one. Them they took it. What's new? We'll try that one then. Well, let's try that one. Y'all, hey man, I'm trying to get that board 8. Not board 8. What is it? I forgot. Oh, they'll start putting this down here? Or you can use your mint token? No. We're gonna see what we got going on. We're gonna do 2 pulls and be done with it. See if I can get me a crypto pump. Come on now. I can't wait they drop their goal. I need to know how much I'm getting, you know, so I keep playing until I move on. If you let me. Come on, better man. What we doing now? This is the Circle of Life. Oh, this remind me. I was about to say the Circle of Life. Man, you seen that new Mufasa trailer for the Lion King? It's a prequel, like how Mufasa became who he is. I'm out for that, bro. Like, what? Okay, but it's always in December. I just hate they got Beyonce and Blue Ivy in it. Why y'all gotta force these folk down folk throat, man? It should be just unknown people doing the voiceovers and stuff. Ah, dog. Where all the stuff at? Where all the shades and all that at now? As soon as I spend, I don't get nothing. See how they do me? See how they do you, boy? They don't let me get it. They don't let me get it. But it's all in fun, man. It's all in fun. Anyway, man. Like, my Lakers lost. We out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little down. I'm hurt. But, oh my God. And this, I know we ain't talking sports, but people think they need to blow it up and get all these different players. Bro, they lost on the last second shots twice. By the team that's the defending champion. You ain't got to do that much. You ain't got to, hey, man, get your, You should have got Dwight Howard. I don't know. He did somebody wrong or something. But that's a whole nother thing for a whole nother day, man. Anyway, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Shout out to the notification gang, baby. Let's get this money and holler back at your boy. We all in the bear market, man. Don't worry about it. Stick together, baby. Just keep on farming. Keep on moving. Don't stop. No. Keep on moving. Hey, y'all know nothing about that. Keep on moving. Don't stop.